Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. Guys, there has been a lot of prophecies regarding singer Okeli Khumalo's involvement in Senzomeyiwa's brutal death. Many prophets, including Sangomas, have alleged that Okeli Khumalo knows exactly what happened to the late soccer star Senzomeyiwa, what led to him being shot and eventually killed. Kelly Kumalo and a group of other people, including his sister Zandi, claimed that an intruder came into the house they were in and shot Usenzumiwa. You guys, now a popular prophet now alleges the singer is indeed responsible for the murder. This is according to this a TikTok prophet who had this to say, you guys. So up next, I am just gonna go ahead and insert the full video of this prophet. But before I do that, do make sure that you are subscribed so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and watching this video.
What do you think about Kelly Khumalo singing gospel is sure true worship? Queen, are you okay, Sanalon? Are you okay? When last you prayed to God and when last you spoke to God and said anything? When last you said, dear God, I'm here? You speak, Lord, your child is listening. Have you ever said that to God? You should. Yeah, sometimes, guys, you need to, when you are bored and don't know what to do with your life, just go to your room, if need be, and just look up and say, Lord, if there's anything you want to say to me, your child is listening. Clock with God, just once a day. I'm your clock, dear Lord, I don't know, but I'm here today. And I'm going to be here, Lord, waiting to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you. No, I don't have any problem. I'm not stressed by anything. I don't know if I should, but the Lord knows all. But Nkosi yami, umntwana wakho nangu phambi kwakho. That's all I'm saying. You'll need to love the Lord, guys. Kelly Khumalo is a murderer. That's all I'm going to say. Kelly Khumalo is a murderer and a dangerous woman to be around. Dangerous woman to be around. And God has already said that God is going to deal with her. She has gotten herself an appointment with God. And God is going to expose her and all that follow her. Because you guys worship that woman and you don't even know why you're worshiping her. You like witches. You will, instead of asking God for if your name is written in the book of life, you will be asking about Tagatabango Kelly Khumalo. She is committed to anything that has money. It happens that she can be emotional about it, and you guys love it. I never understood the people who This is one wonder for me. I don't get amazed very often because God spoils things for me, because he just tells me the things. I would be admiring a house and God will show me the scales in the roof. So but this one, I've never fallen for this one. I'm not thankful to God. I'm just amazed at the fact that I've never fallen for the tricks that Kelly Khumalo. God did say Kelly Khumalo is gonna go down for murder. You watch and wait. You watch and pray. You wait for God's judgment. She's going to play these tricks. When it's all said and done, she's going to go to jail for murder. God says, when the Lord Jesus Christ is done with his work, this witch is gonna go to jail. There is nothing godly and gospelly and about Kelly Khumalo. She is as world as they come. Don't have a problem with the world enjoying Kelly Khumalo's music because she sings for the world. I don't get it when the people of God say she's a worshiper. Do you know what worship is, guys? You mean Kelly Kumalo stands before God? Guys, wake up. You're sleeping. Why are the murderers singing gospels? Why are the field of the world is singing gospel and you thinking it's worship? She is a singer who sings anything. If you say you could really sell a gospel, it is a challenge to her that she can do better, because she got that I can do better spirit. That's satanic, very satanic. Satan said in his heart, I will be like the Most High. There's people who have that spirit in this earth today. I don't even want to go there. If I were you, I wouldn't even go there. She is marked for judgment and destruction by God. Stay away and far. Because when God judges a sin on a sinner, he also judges it on the bystanders and the watchers and the ones who are in covenant and enjoying filth.